Hey guys, just want to show you a healthy snack. This is my favorite popcorn. It already has sea salt on it. I think it's a really good popcorn. It's low in fat, 0 grams of sugar, very low in carbs as well. But this is what I like to do. I like to make my own popcorn. So I'll get some plain healthy popcorn just like this. It's by Organic. And then I'll add my own seasoning to make it delicious. So I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I like my popcorn a little spicy. And then I'll add some red pepper. And then I'll add a little bit of cheese. Guaranteed you guys are gonna love this. If you guys want a healthy snack, make your own snack. And then I'll add more sea salt. Yeah. Try it out. Let me know how you guys like it.